Hey guys, welcome! I've just finished another great trading session with binary options on Pocket Option. If you want to find out the result, what I used, indicators, oscillators, tactics, etc., strategies, watch the video till the end. You'll find out all about it. Let's start right now. I'm Oliver. Let's get going. Alright guys, this looks like it's going to break through. I'm going with only $3 today. See where it gets us. And as always, 1 minute time, and let's see if that is correct, but it looks pretty promising. Yeah, let's wait for the result and continue. Here it is, we got $5, well, 6 actually, on vals that we can use. So let's place that, $6. And go and find our next currency. How about this one? That looks like it's gonna bounce off, so I'm going ahead and put option for $6, 1 minute time. Let's wait for that result and continue. And there we are. It's not a huge, obviously, profit, but we're gonna get there. It's $12.12. So the $12 is the next amount that we can spare for the next option, creating therefore the snowball effect that we do it every time. But in case somebody doesn't know, it's called a compound percentage strategy. Ooh, it doesn't look good. That doesn't look bad. Let's go with a call option because it looks like it's still growing. Here is the profit, $23 for this one, and as you can see, it starts growing. We already made $20. That's not bad. Let's move forward with it. Now we place the $23 for the next option. Let's go ahead and place the amount. By the way, guys, while I'm at it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Of course, that helps the channel enormously, and thanks for that. Also, the links is going to be in the description of this video to whatever I'm using. In this case, it's a Pocket Option. So go ahead and use the links if you want to register at the Pocket Option. Alright, we got $44 this time. We're gonna use that towards the next option, guys. So let's do that. Let's place 44 and there we are. It looks like it's going down again. Pretty strong candle, so I would expect it to go and test the middle. Hopefully it's not just a pullback, and that is correct. I mean, the decision I made, that is correct. So let's wait for the results here for ourselves and continue. Oh, there we are, $84. Great stuff, guys, great stuff. 92% payout, and we're getting to a three figures. So yeah, so let's move on. 84, and the next one. How about this? Ooh, this is getting. Actually, it got to a support level there. It's probably gonna bounce off. Shall we try a call option here? And go ahead and wait for the result and continue. Alright, 161 we got to our 3 figures, guys. Awesome stuff. We are going to move forward, of course, because we need to get to, the goal is 4 figures, of course, today. At least get to 4 figures, because we started with really small amount, $3, and hopefully we can get to 4 figures today. Come on. There, 164. 162, sorry. Let's go and find the next asset. And on this one. That looks like it's going through. Yep, let's go with it. Let's go with the call option here. Looking awesome. Let's wait for the result and continue. And there we are, 311 guys. We're getting there. We're getting some good amounts here. Obviously, considering that we have started with almost nothing, $3. Let's move on. Let's make this balance grow like a snowball. 311. Let's go. Let's move on. And for the next option, we'll choose next asset. But this one, that looks like it's going through. Looks like a strong candle. If it shows movement through the middle, then it's a sign for me, a clear sign for me to enter into the put option. I'm gonna go with a call option. If we look, I just see that in the rhythm there, in the patterns, what it does is likely it goes into this pullback and goes through. Also a pin bar, usually a pin like that showing down, the price is moving in the opposite direction. So therefore this decision is coming from that. Let's wait for the result and continue. Here it is, 597. Awesome guys, it's growing. It was 92% payout, almost $600 there. 597. I'm gonna put towards the next one. These are kind of absorptions by the seller. Could say pullback, but it has a rhythm, and as you can see, we entered when the movement started, so I kind of saw through those few of the similar situations and went ahead and made this decision. So yeah, let's wait for the result and continue. And here we are guys, we have reached our goal, 1,146. We're gonna stop here, goal is reached. Awesome trading session, hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you all next time, all the best, good luck and goodbye.